一下，一下。
Used after a verb indicating an act or an attempt.
Used after a verb indicating an act or an attempt.
看一下，看一下。
Take a look.
Take a look.
快来看一下，我为你买的礼物。快来看一下，我为你买的礼物。
Come take a look. I bought you a gift.
Come take a look. I bought you a gift.
休息一下，休息一下。
Take a break. Take a rest.
Take a break. Take a rest.
我累了，我们休息一下吧。我累了，我们休息一下吧。
I'm tired. Let's have a rest.
I'm tired. Let's have a rest.
问一下，问一下。
Just to ask.
Just to ask.
这道题我不明白，我问一下老师。这道题我不明白，我问一下老师。
I don't understand this question. I'll ask the teacher.
I don't understand this question. I'll ask the teacher.
介绍一下，介绍一下。
Introduce.
Introduce.
我来给你介绍一下，这是我们公司的陈先生。我来给你介绍一下，这是我们公司的陈先生。
Let me introduce you. This is Mr. Chen from our company.
Let me introduce you. This is Mr. Chen from our company.
等一下，等一下。
Wait a moment.
Wait a moment.
等一下，你忘记拿你的手机了。等一下，你忘记拿你的手机了。
Wait a minute. You forgot your phone.
Wait a minute. You forgot your phone.
讲一下，讲一下。
Talk about.
Talk about.
昨天发生的事，你来给我讲一下吧。昨天发生的事，你来给我讲一下吧。
Tell me what happened yesterday.
Tell me what happened yesterday.
坐一下，坐一下。
Take a seat for a while.
Take a seat for a while.
那边有椅子，我们过去坐一下吧。那边有椅子，我们过去坐一下吧。
There are chairs over there. Let's go and take a seat for a while.
There are chairs over there. Let's go and take a seat for a while.
打扫一下，打扫一下。
Clean up.
Clean up.
房间太脏了，让我打扫一下。房间太脏了，让我打扫一下。
The room is too dirty. Let me clean it.
The room is too dirty. Let me clean it.
检查一下，检查一下。
Check.
Check.
我有点不舒服，我要去医院检查一下。我有点不舒服，我要去医院检查一下。
I'm not feeling well. I'm going to the hospital for a checkup.
I'm not feeling well. I'm going to the hospital for a checkup.
去一下，去一下。
Go.
Go.
我去一下洗手间，你等我一会儿。 我去一下洗手间，你等我一会儿。
I'm going to the restroom. You wait for me for a while.
I'm going to the restroom. You wait for me for a while.
试一下。试一下。
Try it.
Try it.
我的手机又坏了，你帮我试一下，看看有什么问题。我的手机又坏了，你帮我试一下，看看有什么问题。
My phone is broken again. Try it for me and see what's wrong.
My phone is broken again. Try it for me and see what's wrong.
准备一下。准备一下。
Get ready.
Get ready.
我明天要去北京出差，你帮我准备一下。我明天要去北京出差，你帮我准备一下。
I'm going on a business trip to Beijing tomorrow. Please help me prepare.
I'm going on a business trip to Beijing tomorrow. Please help me prepare.
拿一下。拿一下。
Take it.
Take it.
还差一个杯子，你去拿一下。还差一个杯子，你去拿一下。
There is still one cup left. You go and get it.
There is still one cup left. You go and get it.
开一下。开一下。
Open it.
Open it.
有人敲门，你去帮我开一下门。有人敲门，你去帮我开一下门。
Someone knocks on the door. You go and open the door for me.
Someone knocks on the door. You go and open the door for me.
昙花开一下就谢了。昙花开一下就谢了。
The epiphyllum blooms for a while and then withers.
The epiphyllum blooms for a while and then withers.
谢谢观看。